Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So these are for your general energy, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with these cards here, guys. Scorpios, we have Knight of Suns, Five of Spheres in reverse, and Six of Suns. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So in your work or in your relationship, guys, you are progressing positively. There are some positive changes. Things are going in a very peaceful way. You are happy with how things are today. And for some of you, you have traveled to a different place. You are in a different city or place. Maybe you have gone for work, or you have maybe for some of you, you are beginning on the journey. Maybe in your heart of hearts, you have a particular expectation for your life and you have stepped on to the first stepping stone. Maybe you have some plans and you have started executing that towards the goals or dreams, whatever you need to achieve, guys. And you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and today you are making some important decisions. Maybe for some of you, if you are deciding impulsively, you have to avoid those decisions, guys, because it may not work out well for you. You have to think it out and decide properly. Think about the pros and cons and then decide. And I also see that there is a very positive change happening in your situation. Maybe physically and mentally you are rejuvenated, changing so much, and you feel a lot of determination and strength in moving towards the goals or dreams or whatever you have for yourself, guys. And I also see that for some of you, you are obsessed with certain things, maybe obsessed with certain ideas or certain ideals for yourself, maybe. But if you are willing to change that, you are going to see greater success, guys. Maybe this obsession is a problem, is creating problems in your life today, creating some difficulties in your life today. So if you are able to overcome all that, you are going to taste success, guys. And I also see that there is a person coming with a good news, or there is some kind of a good news or a message reaching you today, and it may be an unexpected messenger. Maybe in your work, maybe you are expecting certain things, maybe regarding some projects or work related decisions. So some good changes are here for you, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Ace of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your relationship, there are great changes happening in your life today, guys, and maybe it is time for you to move on, Scorpios. So for some of you, I was telling you that you are obsessed with something. Maybe it may be your past memories, your past relationships. So if that is the case, you have to let go of your past and move on with your life, with your future. So it may be something, it may be some hurt you feel with someone you love. whoever it is, you need to move on to experience something fresh in your life today, guys. Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's the Hermit. So with this card, guys, it just means that you have to think and decide, or maybe you are thinking about some important decisions today for yourself, and you are taking a lot of precautions. You don't want to decide anything wrong for yourself, so you are thinking it out clearly, and that is the right way to do anything in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life, and we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly, and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So, the same way, in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together, with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.